If you're still procrastinating in 2026, it's not because you're lazy. It's because you've trained your brain to avoid hard things. And the worst part, you're doing it every single day without realizing it. Be honest, you wake up, first thing, phone, reels, corn. You tell yourself, just 5 minutes. Suddenly, it's been 40. Now your brain is already tired and you haven't even started your day. Then you sit down to study, open the book, read one line, and your mind says, nah, this is boring. So you switch apps again, and then again. And now you're stuck in this loop where easy things feel irresistible and important things feel painful. That's not laziness, that's conditioning. You've trained your brain to chase dopamine, not progress. Every scroll is making normal work feel harder. So when you say, I'll start later, what you really mean is, I've made starting too uncomfortable. And if you don't fix this, nothing changes. Not your marks, not your body, not your life. Chapter 1. Kill dopamine before you work. No phone for the first 60 minutes after you wake up. No reels, no random videos, no cheap stimulation. I know, it sounds extreme, but think about it. If the first thing your brain gets is easy pleasure, why would it choose hard work after? Instead, wake up, sit with boredom, then start. That boredom, that's your advantage. And this is where most people fail, because they can't sit still for even 10 minutes. Chapter 2. Stop telling yourself you'll study for 2 hours. You won't. Your brain hears that and runs. Instead say, I'll just do 5 minutes. That's it. No pressure. Because starting is the hardest part. Once you start, you almost always continue. And if you don't, fine. At least you broke the cycle. Right now, you're not failing because you can't work. You're failing because you can't start. That's the real problem. Chapter 3. You already know what distracts you. Your phone, your bed, that one app you accidentally open. So stop relying on willpower. Put your phone in another room. Sit at a different spot. Make distraction harder than work. Because right now, you've made distraction too easy. Look, no one is coming to fix your life for you. Not your parents, not your teachers. And deep down, you already know what you should be doing. You just keep choosing comfort instead. And every time you delay, you're training yourself to stay average. So here's what you should do. Tomorrow morning, no phone for 60 minutes. Start with just 5 minutes of work. Remove distractions completely. That's it. Simple. Not easy, but simple. And if you actually follow this, your entire life starts shifting. But only if you stop watching and start doing.